Good. What do you see?
I see a parrot.
Good. What do you have? A pencil case.
Silver case.
What do you have? I have.
Zero.
Good. What do you have? I have paint.
Page.
Okay. And do you have a glue?
Yes.
Do you have pencils?
Yes.
Do you have your paper?
Yes.
Okay, good job. Thank you.